So if you look at your Instagram feed, you might have noticed that the feed looks a little different. So it looks like Instagram has changed the feed from the square post that we're used to the new 4x5 post. So if you have already planned out a ton of content inside of your Canva, you are going to have to resize it so that way everything fits into the frame. So for example, you already see here, I have a square post and we are in the middle of transitioning to the 4x5 post. So I'm going to show you how to do that in Canva. It's very simple. So if you go to Instagram, if you go to your search bar and type in Instagram, you're going to see something pop up that says 4x5, which is the new feed that Instagram is showing now. And then you will see the square. So I'm going to click on 4x5 because I am changing the post from square to 4x5. So you click here. And I'll just click on any template. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to delete it. So you click here and you see now it has 1080 by 1350. This is the new size of the feed that you will now see inside of Instagram. So go to customize. And I want to use what I already have created. So if I go to add page, I'm going to go into projects and I'm going to find the graphics that need to be updated. So you will see here, this Flowdesk promo content has already been created, but now I have to resize it to fit the new 4x5. So if I click here and I click here, it's going to pull up my my content that I've already created, and it's going to resize it for you. I want to add another page, and then you'll kind of see Canva adjusting the graphic for you. So I'm gonna click here again. And you can see how it just automatically adjusts to the new post. So that is how you can quickly upgrade your square post into the new 4x5 post. So I hope this helps. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, be sure to comment. Alrighty, y'all. Until next time. Peace.